Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be tackling this pantry. So we have been in this house for like a month, so not long at all. There are two adults that live here. There are not a lot of pantry goods, so to speak, that we purchase on the regular. We pretty much buy, you know, a small amount of food and then we eat it and then we buy it again and again and again. However, I still want this pantry to be organized. So I have purchased like very little decor pieces since moving into the house. My main goal for this house, as is my main goal for life, is for it to be functional. So I figured I would purchase a few things. Honestly, we got lots of money, Amazon gift cards for our housewarming party that we had, like our first one that we had not long ago, and I pretty much bought all of the things with Amazon gift cards. So I'm super excited to be diving into this. I want to walk you guys through the steps of how this all came about, like what I did first as far as like trying to organize it and like trying to think of what to do to organize it and all of that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and hop into the video. Okay, you guys, so I am officially finished with organizing the pantry, and I think it looks really, really cute. So I'm going to walk you guys through everything that I have going on inside of the pantry. Okay, so first up, we have cooking materials over here. And I don't really reach for those particular materials a whole bunch, but that's pretty much why they're on the top shelf. Then I have canned goods on a Lazy Susan. And then I have the cereal dispenser. I'm trying to figure out if I need to keep the one with 2 or if I could just get by with just the 1. And I'm kind of leaning towards just having the 1, only because as far as like getting it down, it's no problem with it being up a little higher. Like it would be a little difficult for me to reach it, but not too difficult for my husband because he's the one that eats the cereal and he's taller than me. But I'm thinking like for ease of access, like for getting it down, it might be lighter and better to just have the 1. So still trying to figure that out. Right here I have salad ingredients. So this is just things that I use to put inside of a salad. And then I have the overflow cereals over there. This is a little rack that I think I got from probably like Dollar Tree, honestly. And I just have some, it's kind of like this mixy stuff to make wine slushy, to like, I don't know, frozen drink mix. That's what it is. We have 2 of those. And so I just decided to keep those up there. Here, breakfast bars and miscellaneous, which currently I have some crackers in there only because I want to keep those at the forefront and in this clear container so I don't forget to eat them, or so one of us can eat them, because they need to be eaten. I think their expiration date is coming up more quickly than some of the other items in here. Here I have a container for produce, and this is essentially vegetables. Then I have protein packs, so like the little tuna packs, and then I have this little plant that came from, ooh, what is that? Ross? I don't know what that tag is, but anyway, it was $2.99, and I got this a long time ago, so it's not really for, like, I didn't really go out and buy it just for this pantry. I just wanted to add a pop of color. Well, there are pops of color, but I just wanted to add some greenery, so that's where that comes into play, and it's fake, of course. Then I have pastas. I have my lasagna noodles in here. I did not want to put them in a container like this because some of them are oven ready and some of them are not. So if I would have mixed them all together, that would have been tricky. So I just left them in the boxes. And then I have pasta sides back there. More canned goods, or basically, you know, sauce to make spaghetti. Then we have 2 different types of pastas here. Spaghetti noodles and then elbow noodles. Then I have labeled this one carbs, and I wanted this stuff to be in a clear container as well because we need to eat those, and bread obviously expires more quickly than other foods, so that's why I wanted it to be in here, so we can just, I wanted it to be in a clear container so we can be mindful of consuming it or letting it go to waste, whatever we want to choose. And then I have water over here, and they fit perfectly in there, so that's really cool. Here we have produce, apples, quick meals, another pop of color. Next we have some bubble gum, which my mother-in-law got that for us for Christmas. I think she put it in like a stocking type of situation, and so that's why we have gum. I didn't want to throw it out, so I figure when little kids are here or whatever, they might want to choose some gum, so that's why the gum is there. And then we have our drink enhancers, is technically what it is, but I just put sweeteners on there because I figure other sweeteners might make, I wanted to for most of these things I wanted to label them with like a broader name rather than bubblegum or, you know, drink enhancers. Then this is actually labeled carbs, just like the bread, so the carbs is on the back of there. Those are the current little, you know, snacks and such that we have. This is another one of those containers, and it has my reusable bags. This contains our party supplies, and this has our party supplies in it as well. Luckily these are all still in the container, so I'm really happy about that. I don't mind having the cups and stuff exposed because they're really, I mean, I feel like they're gonna have to be rinsed either way since they don't have the original packaging anyway, so I'm gonna have to clean them anyway. And then this is overflow drinks essentially, and apple cider vinegar in my lunchbox, which is basically a suitcase, is what my coworkers tell me. So this is our organized pantry, and I think it looks so good for our starter pantry. I did leave space for other things, so if I need to order more of those containers I can, or more of those then I can, but I think it looks really good, and I'm extremely happy with it. So I wouldn't have minded more of these, which if I do have to make room for other types of foods or whatever, then I'll probably buy more of these as opposed to more of the white ones, just because I want a few more of those. But those are just kind of on the expensive side, I think. So I definitely got way more of a bang for my buck with the white containers. But you guys, this is our organized pantry. I'm super happy with it, and I think it looks really cute. I think I want to add a little bit more greenery. So, you know, a couple months down the road, 6 months down the road, I'll show you guys like an updated rather, I should say, tour of the pantry. But so far, this is what we got. So today is actually the day that I have found the correct memory card so I can even show the pantry video. So because of which, since this is already going up mad late, I just wanted to show you guys like a little quick update. So basically we do have the single cereal dispenser, and also I picked up that little dispenser, and that's the overflow cereal. That's still the same. I have added this that I got as a housewarming gift, and you just put trash bags in it. But everything else pretty much still looks the same. We have more bread now, I guess. We have two, I don't know if we had two produce baskets in the other video, but we have two produce baskets now. One mainly for like fruits and one kind of for vegetables, but whatever, they're both for produce. And then that's the same, and then that's just kind of overflow stuff. So the pantry pretty much still looks the same. I just wanted to come to you guys vlog style to give you guys like a quick update. So that is it for this video. I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.